Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're jumping into holiday mode and making a set of beautiful Christmas tree decorations using my CO laser cutter. Most of the ornaments will be made from plywood, but I'm also adding one special decoration in gold acrylic for a shiny highlight on the tree. Let's get started. For the first decoration, I wanted to make something really personal, a custom name ornament with small snowflake cutouts. I start by typing the name using a script-style font and connecting all the letters together so the ornament stays in one piece. Then I add 2 or 3 tiny snowflakes around the name to make it feel more festive. Once the design is ready, I add a small hanging loop at the top and send it to the CO laser. This ornament is cut from 3mm plywood. The laser cuts the small snowflake details beautifully clean, but you want to keep the pieces supported until the job is finished to avoid breaking any thin parts. Now for the fun part, decorating. I give the wood a quick sanding to remove burn marks. Then I spray the entire piece with a silver metallic spray paint. After the first coat gets tacky, I sprinkle fine silver glitter over the surface. The glitter sticks to the paint and gives the ornament a beautiful frosty sparkle, perfect for the Christmas tree lights. Now let's paint decorations from other side. I apply a layer of silver glitter spray. It gives the piece an icy sparkle without any messy loose glitter. To seal everything, I finish with a light spray of clear varnish. That protects the surface and keeps the glitter shining all season. Now our first Christmas tree decorations are ready. Decoration number 2, plywood ornament with cutout name and snowflake. Next up is another personalized ornament, but this time the name and the snowflake are cut out of a solid round shape. This gives the decoration a nice clean frame and makes the name look like it's floating inside the ornament. Design process. I started by drawing a simple circle with a top loop for hanging. Inside the circle, I positioned the name so the letters touch the frame in a few places. That keeps everything connected after cutting. I add a snowflake below the name as a decorative detail. This one is a little larger than in the first ornament, so it stands out nicely. This ornament is also cut from 3mm plywood. Because the inside details are more open, cutting is a little easier and there's less risk of tiny pieces breaking. I cut the decorations out in several parts because I want to use up production leftovers. Once cut, I sprayed the entire ornament with silver spray paint, just like the first decoration. After the paint dries, I apply silver glitter spray again for a sparkly metallic finish that catches the lights on the tree. A final coat of clear varnish helps protect the surface and keeps the glitter locked in. Now let's add glitter spray. Now our second Christmas tree decorations are ready. I hope you like it. Decoration number 3, plywood name ornament with engraved background. For the third decoration, I wanted to try something a bit different. This time the name and the snowflakes remain raised, and the entire background behind them is engraved away. This creates a really nice contrast between the smooth surface of the letters and the textured engraved background. And again, you can see that I used production waste to produce Christmas decorations. Design setup. I started with a round ornament outline again, with a hanging loop at the top. Inside the circle, I placed the name across the center and add 2 or 3 snowflakes for decoration. Then I flipped the engraving approach. Instead of cutting the snowflakes out, I engraved the background so the name and snowflakes stand out in relief. This one takes a bit longer because the laser has to engrave a large area of plywood. Unlike the first 2 decorations, this ornament stays natural with no paint this time. I lightly sand the engraved areas to smooth out the fibers and clean the dust using compressed air. The warm wood color and the raised details give it a very cozy, Scandinavian Christmas look. Does sanding like this seem scary? Don't worry, it's not my first time doing it. Now our third Christmas tree decorations are ready. I hope you like it. Decoration number 4, double layer plywood Christmas stocking. For the fourth ornament, I'm making a double layer Christmas stocking. This one has a bit more depth and detail thanks to the layered design, and it's a really cute addition to the ornament set. Design breakdown. The design consists of 2 separate pieces. A back layer shaped like a stocking, with the name engraved across the top cuff. A front layer with snowflake cutouts that adds texture and dimension. When the layers are stacked together, the engraved name shows through beautifully and the snowflake cutouts reveal the wood behind them. For the back layer, I keep it natural wood, just a quick sanding and cleaning with compressed air to remove the dust. For the front layer, I use silver spray paint to make the snowflake shapes pop and add that holiday sparkle. The contrast between natural wood and shiny silver creates a really nice layered effect. Once both parts are dry, I glue the layers together and add a small ribbon to the hanging loop. This design feels more premium thanks to the layers, a perfect ornament to give as a personalized gift. Now our fourth Christmas tree decorations are ready. I hope you like it. Decoration number 5, cartoon race car ornament with engraved name. For the 5th decoration, I created something fun for the kids, a cartoon race car ornament with snowflakes and a custom name at the bottom. This one is perfect for any little racing fan on your Christmas list, asterisk. The car artwork is engraved into 3mm plywood, giving it that nice carved wood look. After engraving, the laser cuts out the ornament shape and the snowflakes. Because the engraved details are pretty fine, I give it a moment to cool before lifting it from the bed. That helps prevent any warping. Just like with the other natural look ornament, I keep the wood color exactly as it is. I lightly sand the engraved areas and then use compressed air to blow away the tiny particles left from cutting. The clean wood grain really fits the style of this decoration, warm, cozy, and perfect for the tree. Now our 5th Christmas tree decorations are ready. I hope you like it. Decoration number 6, golden acrylic ornament with shining name and snowflakes. The last ornament in this set is the real showstopper, a gold mirror acrylic decoration where the background is engraved away, leaving the name and snowflakes shiny and reflective. Engraving mirror acrylic removes the reflective back layer, giving a beautiful matte surface that contrasts with the polished gold details. Once the engraving is complete, I cut out the outer shape and the hanger loop, asterisk. Acrylic looks best when handled gently, so I keep the protective film on until the very end. That prevents scratches and dust buildup. After engraving, I spray paint the back with gold paint. This gives the engraved part a rich, even golden tone, prevents light from coming through, and makes the front design look even more intense and shiny. Now we remove the protective film. And here it is, golden acrylic Christmas tree decoration. I hope you like it. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future laser cutting builds and DIY ideas. Got project suggestions? Leave them in the comments. I'd love to hear them.